Hi, school bus. It's health checkup day. Let's go. You have to put the car in gear before it can start moving. You have to equip the medical items.
I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car.
Babybus, go!
Unable to download. Please ask Dad or Mom for help.
This is kindergarten.
It's snack time. Let's snack together. It's time for a snack. Good kids. Now it's time to make a craft. Let's make a little windmill. Hooray! Handcrafting time. First, cut out the decorative border for the paper cup. Spread out the paper cup. Paint the cup with a pretty color. The colors you painted are so pretty. Use a small thumbtack to secure the windmill. Use a small thumbtack to secure the windmill. Use a small thumbtack to secure at last. Finish it with a straw. Awesome! What a beautiful windmill you made. School is out. Get on the baby bus and go home now.
Okay.
Take care on your way home, everyone. Goodbye, Miss Maymay. Goodbye.
Babybus, go! Send the kids home safely one by one.
अब दूसरा लगाओ
All the cars are ready. Choose your favorite one. Race car.
रेस नहीं लगानी ये चलती हैं रेस
All the cars are ready. Choose
ये
your
लगा ना
favorite
ट्रेन
one. What's happening in the town? Train. Dear passengers, welcome aboard. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on. Examine the luggage, utility knife, fruit knife, firecrackers. Well done! You found all the dangerous items. Where would you like to sit? Thank you. Unable to download. Please ask Dad or Mom for help. Unable to download. Please ask Dad or Mom for help. Unable to download. Please ask Dad or Mom for help. Unable to download. Please ask Dad or Mom for help. Papa. Snow Mountain. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner. Wow, we can build a snowman now. It's so cold. Please help me put on a warm coat and gloves. Now I'm ready. Let's go and build a snowman. the snowman. Next, let's find some branches to make the snowman's arms. Find some branches to make the arms for the snowman. Wow, you found all the branches! Drag the branches and stick them in the snowball. Let's choose a pair of beautiful eyes for the snowman. The snowman will look better with a nose. Finally, let's add some decoration to it. Wow! You made a beautiful snowman! The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go? Roger that! The train is about to turn. Please sit tight and hold on. We are arriving at the loading area. Please load the goods onto the train. Oops, not this one. Please try again. You loaded the goods! The little troop passenger should comply with the order and be a civilized passenger. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Exit firecrackers. Fruit knife. Pointed utility knife. Firework. Well done. You found all the dangerous items. Where would you like to sit? Ooh, thanks. Huh? Thanks. All passengers, we should comply. Be careful when the little two. Be careful when all passengers. Please sit tight to the train and be careful when crossing the railway. And don't go under the train. We are arriving at the delivery spot. Please put the goods into the lift truck. Thank you for the delivery. The train is approaching Desert Slope. Please Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner. Let's have a sandboarding race. Yeah! Candy! Ready!
देखिए मोबाइल देख लिया चलो इसमें बनाती रहती है इसमें बनाने आते जब नहीं बनाती है आगे जाती थी तो जब पास में आ जाए अभी नहीं करो ऊपर कर दिया करो
Let's attend the presentation of prizes! Awesome! You're the first place! The train is about to turn. Which way do you want to go? Roger that! The train is about to turn. Please sit tight and hold on. Uh-oh, the track ahead is disconnected. Choose the correct track to connect it. Good job, you fixed the track. The little choo-choo train has a long body. It carries people and goods. We should comply with the order and be a civilized passenger. Passengers need to have their tickets checked to get on the train. Thanks. Is approaching grassland pasture. Please take all your belongings and get off in an orderly manner. Let's milk the cow and make some milk cheese. The cow is a little dirty. Let's clean it first. job! The cow is green now! Oops, the cow is a little upset! Let's cheer it up! That's great! The cow is happy now! Next, let's milk the cow together! To milk the cow. Now we've got milk. Let's make some milk tea.
कितना रह गया
Brick tea. Milk. Butter. Salt. Stir it. Great! The milk tea is ready. Let's eat. Please pour me a cup of milk tea. The cup is full. The cup is full. The cup is full. Is so good!
Passengers need to have their tickets checked.
We are arriving at the terminal station. Please check your belongings before you get off. Everyone, this is the end of our journey. See you next time.
Bye!